So, this is a dog?
Dog, yeah.
Yeah? So,
You want this?
kumakain, yeah. Take.
You want this?
Yeah.
You want some butter?
Maybe she's cold outside. Getting cold outside, so
Yeah, he is.
you need some heater. Oh, there's a ring.
Yeah.
So it's a pet. It's a pet dog.
He used to people.
Yeah, yeah.
He's been following me for 2 days now.
2 days. Ah, maybe he has a crush on you, ah.
It's my pet bird.
That's your birdie, ah.
Yeah.
Don't touch my birdie. Resist temptation.
Yeah,
He's eating, huh?
he liked it.
Maybe he gonna stay here.
He liked it, but yeah.
She gonna stay here. All right.
He's my new friend now.
Don't play with your bird, huh?